Hey guys, welcome back. Recently, this abandoned cartoon character video is going viral everywhere. I'm going to show you how to make it step by step. Step 1. Create the abandoned cartoon character images first. I'll use Homer Simpson as an example. For this video, you'll need at least 3 images, 1 full body image, and a couple of close-up images. I'm using Google Gemini to generate these images. Everyone gets free daily credits, and that is already more than enough to create 1 full video. Start by generating the full body image, and this is the exact prompt I'm using. I'll put the prompt in the comments so you can easily copy and paste it into Google Gemini. If you want to generate a different character, just change the cartoon name and the character name in the prompt. Once the full body image is ready, we move on to the close-up image. Here's another prompt I'm showing on screen. I also highly recommend Headpole Photopea. It lets you quickly generate high-quality, watermark-free images. Step 2. Generate the video. Now let's turn these images into a video using AI Marvels. AI Marvels is an all-in-one app featuring a wide range of AI tools and models. On the AI video screen, select Seedance 2.0, then upload the image you created with Headpole Photopea. Here's the prompt for the video generation. Once everything is set, just hit generate, and you will get a video like this. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. It means lots to me, and see you next video.